Well, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Oh my goodness. My yarn arrived. Let's open this and see. Just need to grab some scissors. Well, I guess I don't need it. Okay, I'm working on the rooster curtain, and I have shared the tutorial, and I had a custom order, so I noticed I'm weighing it, and each curtain piece I need to crochet a total of 8, and each piece is like between 300 to 332 grams. I don't have enough yarn, so I had to go and order, and where I bought it they don't have, because I bought all what they had. Okay, this is coming from Turkey, and I saw this yarn, so I messaged the seller and I asked, well, how many do you have? And he messaged me about over 10 kilograms. Said, let me get all of them just to be on the safe side, because crochet uses up lots of yarn. Okay. I just grabbed the phone because the mail lady came, and I need to grab a scissor. Let me just come with me. Okay, here's the curtain that I have crocheted. Doesn't this look lovely? It's 100%, I think it's 100% cotton. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, unfortunately with this camera, I can't push the pause button. Yeah, so you're gonna be a little bit dizzy, but I'm sorry. Okay, here we are. And I don't even have my tripod on. So I do apologize, and I started taping. Okay. Oops. So it's 10 kilograms. It's almost 11 kilograms. So I paid around 400 Canadian dollars, I did not pay custom fee. Thank God I did not pay custom fee. So I will put they have UMUT, I believe it's called UMUT yarns, threads. They usually sell cotton, but I've been noticing they are selling other yarn as well. I'm hoping it's this one. Oh, this is a little bit thinner. Oh. Really hard to open the box because looks like they did a side here. You can see my slippers. I have a tutorial for this. My socks, they're short, and I would highly recommend. I do have a tutorial, so check my tutorial on how to knit. What was it called? Leaf bamboo bobble stitch. Oh, this box is really interesting. Oh, here we go. They tried to secure it, so it is yeah, the shipping is twice as the yarn, unfortunately. Okay, here we are. Mercerize, but it is thin, so I might need to double this, but the yarn is fantastic. Yeah, so it's really soft. This would be perfect. So what I'll do is I'll just double strand it, and I think this is pure white. That's what it looks like. Well, So this is like a 3-weight. Fantastic. Okay, here is their card. UMUT YÜNEVİ. You can, if you put this on the search button, they have their Facebook and then their Instagram. So I just wanted to share you this unboxing. So I will continue crocheting because I finished the yarn that I have. Okay, you guys take care. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy crocheting, happy knitting. Bye-bye.